Alright guys, so I went ahead and so these are the floor mats that came with the Range Rover, and go ahead and clean them up a little bit. These back ones are in the best condition out of all of them, but just gonna hose them down, and then we get a bucket with some soapy water is all, and rinse them down, and that should be it. And I don't know if there's any, I don't know, like protectant I can put on them or something. I don't think I have any, but that'll have to be something I'll do in the future. Alright guys, so I got the hose strung out here. I have a little scrub brush here, pretty stiff, and then I have some Purple Power mixed with some water in a spray bottle. So first I'm just gonna hose them down. Water is really foamy coming off of these. Alright, that's pretty good. Just getting off a lot of the, I don't know, majority of the dirt and stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my spray here and spray them down. Then I'm going to let this sit on here for maybe 30 seconds or so. And then take my scrub brush and basically just scrub them down and rinse them off again, and that should be it. Okay, I scrubbed them down. May not look like it, but I did. I'm just gonna rinse them off pretty thoroughly so there's no soap left over. Alright, now I'm just going to let them sit out here in the sun until they dry, and I can go ahead and put them back in the car.